The Jococat brand is this kind of situation. It is a cheap speaker, around $10 or so, and it is built pretty nicely. But on the audio side, it is pretty bad. But I didn't want to buy it for the audio, but more to really look if it is anything like the renders, the pictures they have on their website. Not only the speaker is cool, also the packaging was made pretty cool. It is cheap, so it is also cheap packaging, but at least they tried to give it a pretty cool design. And yeah, it has even pretty big battery. And again, it's not necessarily the better sounding speaker. At least it has a passive radiator on the rear, but it does give you a lack of tuning. So this means that even though they try to give the speaker a cool look, there is no real audio DSP tuning. So you know what? Here are the audio samples, so you see it yourself a bit. It's a cool design, but not a great sound.
Come and set me free, 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 free. Come and set me free.